To our administrative officer, Mr. Ronald Vincent Waminal, as principal of Waminal Achievers Academy Incorporated, I have the honor to present to you 24 boys. Please stand and 28 girls. A total of 52 kindergarten movers who have satisfactorily completed the pre-elementary curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education for the school year 2023-2024. Congratulations.
Thank you, Madam Principal. Okay naman na, nakatayo tayo. So by the virtue of the power vested in me as the school administrator, I now confirm your moving up to grade 1 level of the elementary department for the school year 2024-2025. Congratulations, our dear kinder movers. Let's give them a round of applause.
Thank you, Mr. Benito Santiago and Mr. Ronald Vincent Waminal. We are joined today by a very important person who will be sharing with us messages of inspiration and encouragement. And to introduce our guest speaker for today's occasion, may I call on our school administrative officer, Mr. Ronald Vincent S. Waminal.
Thank you once again, Study. So our dear parents, guests, guardians, and of course, our dear kindergarten students, faculty, staff, and of course, our guests. So it is my privilege to introduce to you our mainland for today's activity. So he is son of the late Mr. Eliseo Rojas Texon, who is a retired businessman, and also Mrs. Eliseo Paladin Texon, a retired public school teacher. So he is married to Carmencita Santos Texon, who is a CPA and an entrepreneur. And they are gifted with a son, sa isang sakto, Mark Edward S. Texon, who is now a college student.